Hi, in this video I will show you how to use aREST with an Arduino board. So we'll see how to actually really get started from scratch and connect an Arduino board to the aREST cloud. So for that, the first step is to actually make sure you already have an account with aREST. So if you don't have one, you can just go to arest.io and just click on create free account to actually create an account for free so you can use the aREST cloud. After that, you can simply go to dashboard.arest.io. So that's this site over there. And here you will have listed your devices, your dashboards, your events, for example. And also you have a tab here called API keys. So just go on there and you will find your API key over there. So make sure to save that, maybe leave it open for later because you will actually need it. Next, we'll actually install the Arduino IDE. If that's not done yet, you can just go to arduino.cc, en software, and download the latest version of the Arduino IDE. Once this is installed, make sure to open it, and I will show you how to actually install everything that you need for the aREST cloud. So I just need to speak here about which board you actually use to connect to the aREST cloud. So there are many Arduino boards, right? So here I will be using an MKR1000 board, which already has Wi-Fi on board. So this will require to install some specific libraries and board definitions, but make sure to install the right one for you in case you are using another board. So what do I need? I need first to install a couple of libraries. So for that, I will just go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries. And here we'll need 3 of them. So first, of course, there is aREST. So I'll just type aREST and make sure to install this one here. Next, I will need the PubSub client, which will actually help the board communicate with the aREST cloud. So that's in there. That's this one called PubSub client. And finally, I will need the Wi-Fi 101 library, because that's the one that the board uses to actually connect to Wi-Fi. So just install those 3 and you are good to go. Next, I will need to install the board definitions for my actual board. So for that, I go to Board Manager, and it's just the one there, this SAMD boards. So that's the one you can see for the Arduino MKR1000, for example, but also for a lot of other boards. So make sure to install this one as well. Once this is all done, you can actually load the official example for the aREST cloud for Arduino. So I will just go on File, Examples, aREST, and MKR1000 cloud. So this one contains everything you need to actually connect to the aREST cloud. So there are 2 things you really need to change and one more optional parameter. So for sure you need to put here your aREST key. And here you need to put the name of your Wi-Fi network, the password. And next, you can also add there a unique device ID for your device here. So you can do that if you want to. That's what I recommend, but you don't really have to, as it will be assigned automatically to your board in case you actually don't put any. So you don't really need to put a parameter here. So once this is done, you're actually ready to connect your board to the aREST cloud. So far it's not connected. Let's have a look on my devices. I'll just refresh that. It's all offline. Let's go back here. So I filled that already with all my information about my board and my Wi-Fi network. So next I can just go over to my desk and actually connect the board to my computer, and I will just make sure everything looks okay here. Make sure you have the right Arduino board selected, and also that you are actually on the right serial port. So I will just reload my Arduino IDE here so I can actually see the correct serial port. And I have it here, Arduino MKR1000, and now I can just hit the upload button, and this will compile the sketch and upload everything to my board. Great, so it's already done uploading. So now it should actually be connected to my Wi-Fi and next to my board. Awesome. So you can see that it has been connected to the aREST cloud. So from there, you can now go to aREST.io/documentation, and you actually see what things you can actually do now with your board. So for example, you can store events with your board. You can also, of course, control it from anywhere in the world. So make sure to refer to this page to see really all the possibilities that you can do with Arduino and the aREST cloud. So I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Make sure to build amazing projects with aREST. Don't hesitate to ask us any questions if you have any, and really have fun building great projects.